Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix link preview not working on WhatsApp. To fix that, open your WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top right corner, go to your settings, go to privacy, scroll down and click on advanced privacy, turn off disable link preview. And when you go back and try to paste a link, it is going to load the link preview. So that's how you fix this issue. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.